My name is Kristen, and I am going to read to you a story I made up in class. Okay. It is called The Adventures of a Dog with No Name by Kristen. And then down there, right there, he's saying, "Give me a name, woman." Yeah, it's a pretty funny story. Okay. Let me zoom out. The Adventures of a Dog with No Name by Kristen, November 2010. And then this page is funny. It says, I don't know what to write. The publishing guy said I needed to put the month and year it was published. He also said I had to put a TM or C. The only problem is that I don't know what any of those mean. I am picking TM because it has 2 letters. The publishing guy said TM would cost more than C, but I think $10 would cover it. Published in Wisconsin. The Adventures of a Dog with No Name, TM. November 2010. I dedicate this book to people and to all my friends. "Dog, go outside," shouted Val. Gabby, Val's best friend, asked, "What is her name?" "First of all, the dog is a boy, and I haven't named him yet," Val said. The next day, the dog went to Walmart and he found a talking gummy worm. Okay, who really cares about a talking gummy worm? The dog walked on and went to the store with its logo as a target. I forgot the name of that store. It gets really annoying saying dog and the dog all the time, so his temporary name is Princess. Princess walked into the store and bought his girlfriend a t-shirt that said "Best Boy in the World." She broke up with Princess right away. Princess robbed the bank. He got enough money to get tickets to see Justin Bieber. Before the concert, Princess trashed the White House. Princess went to jail. Surprisingly, Justin Bieber was in jail, too. Justin Bieber missed his concert. He was in jail because he went skydiving, and the guy told Justin to jump, but Justin didn't jump until 10 seconds later, so the guy called the cops. Princess was mad, and who cares why? Princess finally went home, and Val and Gabby knew exactly what happened that day. Princess was all over the news because of what he did. Princess was named Cheeseburger. After Cheeseburger heard his new name, he went to McDonald's and stole a cheeseburger. Val, Gabby, and Cheeseburger lived happily ever after until Cheeseburger met Lady Gaga. And then the back page. Puppy, Beagle. Yes, I know that story was pretty random, but it was awesome. My whole class laughed at it, so hope you did too. Bye!